Hello, everyone. I completed a series in 2024 on autism, where I did a track one for theory, a track two for assessment, a track three for intervention. Every time I design a series like that, I take the current literature and I package it in a way that we can understand the whole picture. But each time when I present it, I always realize I could say more about this, I could say more about that. And there's other things that comes about in the meantime, because things are forever changing. I'm presenting a three-part webinar series to add to that track information that's starting in August. The three-part webinar series will be 90 minutes long, starting on August 6, then August 13, ending on August 20. In this series, I want to focus on how does autism overlap with trauma? How does trauma overlap with autism? What does that look like? What do we have to consider? There are specific areas of negotiation that we need to think about in assessment and intervention. In the second webinar, I want to focus on how do we know if it's autism, ADHD, or dyspraxia? What are the different things that are synergistic? What are the different things that are not so synergistic? We're getting more and more kids who are getting a diagnosis like ADHD. There's all kinds of different categories that's being designed to explain why we can't decide that the child is either ADHD or autism. And the consideration of dyspraxia is almost always at the wayside because of the fact that it's not an official DSM diagnosis. It's connected to these different aspects of ADHD and autism, but it's not a separate diagnosis, which, of course, I believe it should be. So let's discuss why the differences are there, what it looks like, and how do they actually complement each other. And then in session three, we want to really look at the concept of autism masking and looking about what that impact will be on overall mental health, anxiety, and other factors in that same continuum of thinking. As usual, the webinar series will contain the latest science and will contain information that's practical and supportive of the therapist journey. But you can also, as a parent, join us. It's important for us to actually all talk the same lingo and to look at things that we can all be able to understand a child in a more holistic way. And if you think there's another topic I should be doing in autism, then also please let me know. You don't have to attend the sessions live. Of course, I love it if you can be there live, but the recordings will be available too. So just register as usual and you will get access to those as well. I so look forward to you joining me on this, can I say, additional journey. Take care.